Hey folks, Lurch here at Hygear Suspension. Today we're going to be installing a K-Tech suspension upgrade kit into this 2022 Yamaha Ténéré 700. This kit is going to include new valve stacks, new pistons, and new springs for both the rear shock and the forks. We wanted to do a video on this kit because the Ténéré is a very common application we see in the shop, and riders tend to come in and want to upgrade their suspension to suit their rider height, weight, and riding style. There are a lot of options out there for the T7, and a lot of those options do tend to get pricey very fast. Luckily, K-Tech tends to make upgrade kits that really change the way your bike rides without breaking the bank. So let's get this bike apart and get this kit installed.
We have parts from K-Tech ready to get installed. They have nice little kits, come all pre-assembled, no guesswork. Replacement nut, valve assembly for the rear shock, valve assemblies for the front forks. Again, beautiful packaging. Complete replacement base valve, complete replacement rebound valve and post, and they even include different metering rod needles for the rebound. So everything is thought out, everything's well made, fantastic parts. So we have the valves, forks, rear shock, as well as replacement springs. Springs are going to be stiffer, going up in rate, pretty straightforward. Good quality springs.
So that's the kit. This customer is really going to notice a big improvement on ride quality and feel a little more at home on the bike. We do setups like these quite often, so if you have a Ténéré or another adventure bike and you want to upgrade the suspension, you can reach out at info@hygearsuspension.com, link in the description below.